It's almost 6. Have you heard from Johnny? Mel? What? Johnny, he's not here again.
Yeah, I said he's out sick again.
Really? We are Devo C, and we're the newest and hottest indie pop band of this generation. In summer of 2011, I locked eyes with Brendan Urie during a set. From then on, I knew I always had him rooting for me. I'm pretty sure I have a gift for being able to talk about emotions and reach out and really connect with our fans. That's why I do this, for the fans.
Samantha's freaking crazy. She thinks we're destined for like fame and fortune and all that other bullshit, whereas me, I'm just here for that sexy piece of ash. You know, guitars are prettier than some of the people I know. I would say most people. They really have a way with words without having to say anything at all.
Honey, I've been doing this for 30 years. I'm tired of this life. The only joy I have left is getting strung along by this hunk.
I'm genuinely here just so I have someone to play over. I don't give a shit about the rest.
One, two, three, 4.
Ready? Hey guys, my name is Johnny, and I play the keys to your heart. I've been sick for a while now, but I don't really think I've been missing that many practices. I just don't really know what I'm doing wrong. Right? I've been playing for Devo C for about 4 or 5 years now, and the only person that really comes to our shows is my mom.
The man is an idiot and a menace to his own body, but he sure can kill it on the keys. Okay guys, this is it. We finally have a big gig. This is where we make our mark on this town and break out into fame and fortune.
Wait, I'm still sick. Should I come?
Having herpes doesn't stop you from playing the keys.
Wait, that's what you have?
Well guys, still play your hardest. 1, 2, 3, 4. I just don't know what went wrong.
Well, I think I do. It looks like we did it at the exact same time as Post Malone's 3rd virtual Pokemon concert.
That's it, guys. We just gotta get the word out more. Our next gig is this weekend, so we have 5 days to get the word out.
What are we supposed to do with these?
Go to the corner down the street and pass them to everyone you see. Do not let a single person pass without getting one. I'm gonna stay here and post on everything and anything I can think of.
Got it. We did it, Sam. I passed out all the flyers.
Good. I've made about 423 posts between Facebook, Reddit, Instagram, and the band's Twitter and Snapchat. It'll have to be enough. This is it, guys. This is the moment we've been waiting for.